So busy.
How would you like to be here?
And we have turkey. Look.
All the way, actually.
That one.
Merry Christmas, everyone! So kami lang apat. Ayan. And then si Garrett.
Don't be so stupid. That's just when it's old. Why doesn't it doesn't
Prosecco, though, isn't it?
have a use by date?
I thought it did. Never
Merry
mind.
Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry oh! So this is starter. What's this, love? Prawns and salmon and salad
Prawn salad.
with prosecco. Prosecco?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas.
Yeah.
Just the four of
Very,
us.
very lucky.
Yeah. Good for scrambled egg.
Oh, the scrambled egg. That's the same one I get.
Pull the foil from underneath.
This.
See the foil, the foil on the outside. Take that off.
And you put it between your legs.
Yep.
Turn it down.
Keep it hold.
Mabuthan dyan nila naman.
Got a video. Go.
Yeah.
Hold the cork. Just keep a hold of it and just pull.
Okay,
Just hold it.
you can do it. Oh!
Right.
There you go. You know, I did it before.
You'll get a quick picture
Okay.
of the turkey as well.
Go on, yeah.
You'll get one with the turkey before.
Good, Bob, yes.
Since you wrestled with it all. Bend down. Since you wrestled
Put my head
with
on
it
the
all
plate.
day. Ready? What else now?
You grab it.
Yeah,
There's a string there. There it is. Yeah. I grab it.
yeah.
Oh, you cut it. There we go.
I'll eat the gravy.
You got that one?
Okay,
I got that
should I
half.
start?
Go for it.
Richard's the best at the carving. He's the best. Bob does big chunks.
Oh, nice.
It's all right.
There.
Oh, it looks. It's been in long enough, hasn't it?
I've tested it.
They're really nice. Like
It said that it sit for 40 minutes. It's, the
Should I
juice is
take the
drained out, but
carrots
the
out?
carbs easier.
Carrots in a bowl.
How's turkey?
turkey is turkeyest.
It's turkeyest. Is it turkey now turkey?
Turkey, not turkey. Big. Ayan Tapos apil-apil siya diha. Sige, masunog dyan ni Ron. So we have a really big turkey.
These plates are just not warming up, is it? It's not warming up. They're so thick.
Yeah, love, that's really thick.
But the top's not.
That's really thick.
Because
Yeah.
they're so thick, the top one's just like
Yeah.
cold. And
So if you put like individual or at least
swap them round. Because the bottom's on the
Either that
or one at a time.
Put them in hot water.
Not now.
And we have a stuffing and what's this, love?
Stuffing and
Stuffing and
There's lots of
stuffing.
There's not as much oil.
With
now.
roast potato, pigs and plantain.
Not as much oil now.
This one is carrots and parsnip. And she's doing the gravy.
Another one. Oh, I want. Wait, happy Christmas! Hey! What did you win?
Oven's not a fan of it. The heat
Well
doesn't
done, chef.
distribute.
No, it's also don't believe the temperature on it either.
Yeah.
Looks like glass.
Christmas pudding!
Yeah. Do you want to see? I've got lighter.
Yay!
Say
Merry
something.
Christmas!
Okay, hang on a second.
Okay.
Not without pouring it though.
No.
Not yet.
Keep going.
Okay.
I should do it then.
Oh my god. Oh wow!
Melt your holly.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow. Oh, that was a good one,
The
Gary, that
holly's on
went
fire,
on.
actually.
Really? Is it?
Yeah.
The house is on fire!
That's a good one. That's the best
We have a
one.
fire alarm.
That's the best one we've ever had.
Yay! Merry Christmas!
That's the best one we've ever had, isn't it?
What, this one?
It's true.
Yeah. That's worked really well.
Lovely.
It went poof.
That's because it's got the
Yeah.
brandy at the right
Charot-charot.
temperature.
Yeah, it wasn't too hot.
That's the trick.
That was the best one we've had. Where was your camera?
He's done it.
Okay,
Oh,
open your
oh,
present.
Where's mummy?
Do you know how to play charades?
Yeah.
Where's your
Oh, what have we got here?
Actually, uy, kadagan yung
carrying the
drama.
bin there for all the rubbish video? Rubbish in there?
Pati pag-upload, dagang drama.
What video?
Go.
Oh, what we got?
Oh, a blanket weighs a ton.
Yes.
Oh, look.
What's that?
Look at this. Oops, hang on. It's a heated blanket. Lovely soft blanket. It's heated. So if you get cold on a cold night, it can warm up. I'll have
Yes.
to open it later because I can't
Oh, I like that.
Need some scissors, Bob,
feel inside because I'm...
to open it.
Oh, there's some scissors.
Please.
Oh,
nice.
fluffy.
Fluffy.
It doesn't get cold here, though.
Okay.
Sometimes it
It
does.
does.
Yeah, it has
So it's I've got the
sometimes.
heating on all day at the minute. It's
It's
cold.
hot.
Mm.
I have it on really most of the
Pero
time
really?
because it gets so
Here,
cold.
this is the zipper here.
Yeah, it's sealed.
Ah, yeah, I see. Okay.
Okay, I'll open this up and have a look.
Keep the bag because it's good for storage.
Yeah,
we-
that's
we
true.
stored in ours, yeah.
There you go.
Put it in
Yeah, good idea.
storage room.
Just because he wants to have a look. That's all. It gives you a sample. It's quite cool.
Pardon?
Feel me. Oh, there you go. Feel me.
Your sample.
Feel me. Oh, soft.
Exactly.
That's very
Lovely.
nice.
Scissors for anything else.
Oh, look. Nice.
That is heated. Oh,
It's
so
family size, so it's big.
oh,
Massive.
I can sleep. Okay.
Family size.
He's purring.
Take it out.
Take that and use
What
it.
now?
Try that.
Well, not right. You won't use it now because it's boiling.
Yeah, but you can.
Exactly, you don't need it.
Yeah, not now, but January.
That's the book that's in the
Yes,
ground.
It's gonna be
Exactly.
cold.
Bob will plug it in for you.
Oh,
It's gonna be
nice.
right now, but oh, it's
Yeah.
lovely, isn't it?
Try
We can
it
cuddle up on
tomorrow.
the sofa with that.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
And when you
Have
get
your
cold,
little
plug it in.
The other
Yeah.
side's fleece.
When Richard's
Yes,
at work,
okay.
you'll
Oh,
be
look.
sleeping on the
That's,
sofa.
Yeah.
that's the inside.
Oh, that's
So soft.
so
That'll
nice.
keep you
Oh,
warm.
it's so lovely. Oh, wrong one. Yeah.
Heated blanket.
The big one,
May
family
regalo
size.
sa amo.
Oh,
The
thank
beer.
you.
You only hand yourself
Naparegalo si Motherland.
That's for you.
my dear.
All the
That's for
ones
you, but it's
that's
not
in
what
there.
you think it is.
Pardon?
It's for you, but not what you think it is. Couldn't get.
Roses.
Couldn't get.
Sa mga wala lang, mga simple present lang gid ni siya. Para lang ingnon nga na regalo.
This one.
Okay.
Who's this one for, my dear?
Richard.
Oh, doing well.
Cheers!
That's for Richard.
Dagana para sa ako.
How
Ah,
pretty.
see? Dagang kasi laghatag sa ako.
That's
So, yeah.
pretty. Oh, that's
Like you said, it just took.
Wow. Thank you very
Go on,
much.
then you better open one then.
pretty.
Yes.
You better open.
Get there under the
Oh.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
right.
gonna sneeze.
Oh. What have you got there? From Mummy and Daddy.
Yes.
What have you got?
Oh.
Oh.
Giordano Armani
That's the new
perfume.
one.
This one.
That's
Latest
kind
one
of you.
out. Yeah.
It smells so nice.
That's the newest one out. Just come out.
Oh, thank
This
you.
one.
Oh, look at that. Another one.
That one's just come out. The latest,
Yeah.
Oh really? Wow.
latest perfume.
Another one. Oh, what's Oh. Another. Oh.
Another one.
Oh, someone's a lucky boy.
The first smells bad.
No, because we know you like scents. Oh, wow.
Really
Oh,
nice.
you like perfume.
Love it.
Oh, and what's this? Another one. Oh, that's nicely wrapped.
I know, it's really nice.
That's Armani, you know.
You can use this.
Yes, I know. He said, yeah, yeah.
And
You
it's
can
the
use
latest
I know.
one out, Armani.
I know it's comfortable.
I think you've had that before, but it's always useful.
Oh.
It's always useful, isn't it?
Oh, beauty
Oh,
product.
is it? Oh, look at that.
Beauty product.
It's always useful, isn't it? to
Cool,
have
that's good.
things like that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The last time you... Oh, I still have the one that you gave me, that one.
Yeah, it was the same
For my birthday. Yeah.
Same mix.
Oh, someone's a...
It's always useful though.
Very.
Have
Especially for me.
have
What's this? Salt scrub.
Mm.
And then
And then
shower
there's that one
oil.
there, the red
Oh, I can use this.
So he's a lucky boy then.
The other
Well
one
done, Will.
is
Yes.
bath float.
Oh wow.
It's useful to have, isn't it?
Thank you very
What I was
much.
thinking as well, if you go on a holiday,
Yeah.
you can put little bottles like that. You
Yeah.
can take little bottles
Yeah,
if
that's
you go
true.
s-
This
on
one is
holiday.
good for travel, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, like this.
Wow. Is that another one?
If we're going to,
You got another one?
You
Wow.
haven't opened yours. It's just,
That's
it's
okay.
just a token.
Yeah. What's he got here? Oh wow.
Robbie, dami nang binigay sa akin.
Oh, there's the lid from the other one.
Oh
Sorry.
yes,
Give
this
that
one
lid
is
back.
here.
Wow.
So if we're going to travel, we can bring that down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah, so we don't. Oh, diffuser.
Oh wow. Oh, nice.
And the perfume, she said, it's rose.
Diffuser.
She said it's a flower from Asia.
Oh nice. Oh, is it?
The perfume is a flower from
Malaysia. Okay. Oh wow. I like the black and white sticks. They're quite nice.
Oh yes, this is nice.
Yeah, they're nice, aren't
Rose
they?
and something.
Wow.
She says it's a flower. That's a flower. Oh, and it gives you instructions how to put it in.
I'm just
There's
gonna.
only
Oh, look at that. What's that? Oh, it's the diffuser. Oh,
Yes,
that's nice.
it's gonna.
And then put the reeds in
Put
there.
There's just half fillets.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. The perfume.
Nice. Okay, I'll have a look at that later.
Yeah. Oh
Mm,
wow.
look at that. Happy
Thank
Christmas.
Pretty, isn't it?
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Mm.
Thank you, Bob.
Good for you. Licorice is actually really good for you.
Yeah, it makes you go to
What love?
Yeah, that as well. Licorice.
Oh
You've
yeah.
got sore throat as well.
Yeah.
Got sore throat.
What is
Licorice.
that?
Licorice you do.
I like licorice extract.
What's that?
There's not the proper licorice juice. It's more sugary.
Oh, look at
Oh,
it.
oh, that's a nice
nice.
planner.
I'm
like
looking
that.
at it,
And
and I thought, oh, you might like
I
it.
saw this.
You know, that planner is really
I
good.
saw this at my mum's house. It was a present she got for somebody else, and I was flicking through. I went, "Oh, I really like that."
And I thought,
Well
I
thought.
said he was looking at
I
it.
was.
Yeah.
I was. I
And
love
you
the
can write
posters.
things down, you know, for.
Oh,
Yes, that's a good idea, actually.
Yeah.
Put things